Sri Lanka, a small island with massive beauty hidden in the hill country edge. Near Biliho, there's a waterfall most travelers miss. This is Sratalee Waterfalls. It's close to the A4 road, but the moment you step in, the world changes. The air turns colder, the forest gets quieter, and then you hear it. Water hitting rock with a clean, heavy rhythm. Sratalee isn't just a single drop. It breaks and flows over angled rock, creating curtains of white water. Every second looks different. Every angle becomes a new frame. Mist races, leaves shake in the wind, and sunlight diff, you're lucky, turns the spray into silver. This is why Sri Lanka is special, not only because of famous landmarks, but because of places like this. Quiet, powerful, unforgettable. Visit during the rainy season and Sratalee becomes stronger. The sound gets louder. The flow gets heavier. But be careful. Wet rocks are slippery, and nature deserves respect. Stand still. Breathe in, let the water speak. Because here, you don't just see Sri Lanka, you feel it. Visit Sri Lanka and let the road lead you to hidden wonders like Sratalee Waterfalls. For more cinematic travel stories and secret locations, connect with Lanka Skyview. Visit Sri Lanka.